Welcome to Farmer Life. Today we're diving into the world of one of the most beloved condiments, tomato ketchup. Ever wondered how ripe, juicy tomatoes become the rich, flavorful ketchup that sits in your fridge? Stick around as we explore the journey from the farm to the factory, and finally, to your table. It all starts with the humble tomato. The journey of ketchup begins in vast fields where tomato plants are grown. The Roma tomato, known for its rich flavor and low water content, is popular for ketchup, perfect for that thick, tangy consistency. Before those tomatoes make it to the field, they start as tiny seeds. Farmers carefully select high-quality seeds to ensure strong, healthy plants. These seeds are usually started in a controlled environment like a greenhouse, where temperature and humidity can be carefully managed. Once the seedlings are sturdy enough, usually after a few weeks, they are transplanted to the fields where they'll have more room to grow. Once in the field, the real work begins. Farmers need to monitor the tomato plants closely. This includes ensuring they get the right amount of water, either through rainfall or irrigation systems, and protecting them from pests and diseases. Fertilization is also crucial to provide the nutrients the plants need to thrive. Organic or synthetic fertilizers may be used, depending on the farm's practices. Regular weeding is necessary to prevent competition for nutrients, and some farmers even use mulching techniques to retain soil moisture and reduce weeds. Tomatoes need the right combination of sunlight, water, and care to thrive. It takes about 70 to 80 days for them to mature. Once fully ripened, usually in late summer, it's harvest time. Harvesting can be done by hand or by machines, depending on the farm's size. For small farms and delicate fruits, hand-picking is often preferred to avoid bruising and ensure only the best quality produce is collected. This method is labor-intensive but allows for a more selective process. Workers typically use specialized tools like shears or knives to cut the crops carefully, ensuring the plants are not damaged. After harvesting, the tomatoes are quickly transported to the processing plant. Speed is crucial here. Tomatoes start losing freshness as soon as they're picked, and we want the freshest ingredients for our ketchup. Once at the factory, the real magic begins. First, the tomatoes are washed thoroughly to remove any dirt or pesticides. Then they're sorted to ensure only the best tomatoes make the cut. Next, the tomatoes are crushed into a pulp. This pulp is then filtered to remove skins and seeds, leaving behind a smooth, thick tomato puree. This puree is cooked and concentrated to intensify the flavor. Now, it's time to add the signature ketchup flavors: vinegar, sugar, salt, and a special blend of spices. The exact recipe can vary, but these ingredients give ketchup its unique sweet and tangy taste. When it comes to ketchup, some brands have become household names. Heinz, established in 1869, is perhaps the most iconic, known for its consistent quality and taste. There's also Hunt's, another major player in the ketchup world, and Del Monte, which offers a variety of ketchup flavors. These brands have perfected the art of ketchup making, and their products are enjoyed by millions around the globe. Ketchup is a global phenomenon, but did you know the United States is the top consumer? Americans consume an average of 71 pounds of ketchup per person annually. Canada, the United Kingdom, and Germany also rank high in ketchup consumption. In many households, ketchup is a staple, found in almost every fridge, ready to be paired with burgers, fries, and more. Before bottles hit the shelves, they go through strict quality control checks. Samples from each batch are tested to ensure consistency in taste, texture, and color. Only the best batches make it to your table. The ketchup is pumped into various types of containers depending on the intended use. This includes plastic squeeze bottles, glass bottles, small packets, and even tin cans. The filling process is highly automated, with bottles and packs moving along a conveyor belt under precision nozzles that dispense the exact amount of ketchup into each container. And there you have it, the journey from farm to factory, turning fresh tomatoes into the delicious ketchup we all know and love. Ketchup isn't just for fries, it's a versatile condiment that can be used in cooking, as a dip, or even as a marinade. The journey of ketchup begins long before it reaches the factory, starting from the very seeds that are carefully selected and planted by dedicated farmers. These farmers are the backbone of the ketchup making process, nurturing the tomato plants through each stage of growth. With a deep understanding of the soil and climate, they ensure that only the healthiest tomatoes, bursting with flavor, are harvested. Their hard work and expertise set the foundation for the quality of the ketchup we enjoy. Next time you squeeze that bottle, you'll know just how much effort went into making that perfect condiment. What's your favorite way to enjoy ketchup? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Farmer Life, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating food journeys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.